Okay, so I'm getting ready to record showing that the Astro is picking up volume to a microphone through a mix amp without being connected to a microphone. I've tried the A10s, the A40s, and also a pair of Bose headphones. Now, the Bose headphones don't even have a microphone connected, but when the volume's turned up, the mix amp still shows that noise is being transferred over to a overlay on the Xbox. So I will show you. So headphones turned on, no microphone, plugged in, hit play. Now, normal volume, don't see anything. See, it's midway. Now turn it up. And you see the overlay shows up. Turn it down. Overlay goes away. And it still shows up a little bit. But there's not even a microphone connected. And it does that with Astro headset or even the Bose headset without a microphone connected.